When you're talking about valuing crypto assets, there have been approaches that have taken other valuations in asset classes and applied them to the crypto space. And this is one of them. It's called the network value to transaction ratio. It was proposed by an early Bitcoin adopter named Willy Woo. And basically what you do is you take the network value of a specific protocol and you divide it by the dollar value of the transactions. And you can think of this like a price-earnings ratio. In the stock market, you might have a stock, let's say Apple, that's priced as $200 a share, and you have an earnings of Apple at $10 a share. So you would divide 200 by 10, and you get a price-earnings ratio of a stock of 20. You can do a similar metric with the network value to transaction ratio in the cryptocurrency space. And let me get into that. So right here, you're looking at a chart. The top price level is the price of Bitcoin over the last few years, and below it is the network value to transactions. Now, there's a couple key points to note here. One is that when network value to transactions gets close to this 100 level, there tends to be a sell-off in the Bitcoin market. The other point to make is that when it drops to about 50, it signifies a bottom. So there are some traders or investors who see value in the Bitcoin token when it drops to 50. And in fact, in 2017, there were significant sell-offs that took the network value to transaction close to 50, and these, in turn, became rallies in the price of Bitcoin. So if I line these up, here's the first one, which produced a rally. Here's the second one, which created another rally. Here's the third one, which led to another rally. And this didn't drop all the way down to 50, but there was also another rally. Now, when we had this super high in Bitcoin in late 2017, the network value of the transaction climbed as high as 175. And then since then, it's sold off. So most recently, the NVT has dropped below 50, and we'll see if this produces some sort of recovery in the future.